Alright guys, now we shift gears to biology. Flip your page to page number 5 on your packet. Exploring biology. Big ideas. Scientists learn by doing research. Research can be done in the laboratory or in the field. A hypothesis comes before an experiment. Data is collected during an experiment. Here you can see the scientists collecting data for the experiment. Vocabulary. Research. The process of attempting to learn new things. Experiment. A scientific procedure done to learn new things. The laboratory. A place designed for scientific experiments. Fieldwork. Research is done in the natural environment. Alright now, first activity. Find the word. A place for scientific experiments. Remember, one letter for each little dash. More vocabulary. Scientific method. The order of steps used in research. Conclusion. What can be learned from an experiment? Hypothesis. A guess about what will happen in an experiment. Data. Numbers or facts collected from an experiment. Final activity. Find the word. Facts and numbers that are collected from an experiment. Remember, one letter per dash. Upon completion, please upload to Teams. Thank you.